cases or circumstances would a green card application really be denied?
Well, Jaya, this is a kind of an open-ended question because a lot of reasons a green card can be
It's a
denied.
Pandora's box.
Yes, definitely. And, I can go hours and hours,
Yeah.
but we'll start with the family petitions. Marriage petitions, for one, gets denied for many reasons. For one, the paperwork is not prepared properly,
Mm-hmm.
but that's still you can fix it. But then when the family, especially for adjustment of status or even regular marriage, when they go for the interview, they are totally lost and they say things that makes the officer believe that the marriage is not genuine, and of course at this point you will get a denial. And if it is a fraud marriage or what we call a sham marriage, they are is punishable, and we have actually a video on this, on sham marriage and stoke interviews.
Uh-huh.
So check to our YouTube channel, Attorney on Air.
Mm-hmm.
And this is for marriage. Now for parents petition, for example, they get denied usually because paperwork is not done properly, or you're not able to prove that these are your parents, or they don't know how to supply any information about their birth certificate. As you know, a lot of people from India, Pakistan, and from Afghanistan, they didn't have birth certificate before, right? The whole Indus Valley, they never had a birth certificate. So we have to do what we call the secondary evidence to prove the birth certificate, like affidavits, school records, ration card, etc. So oftentimes people don't prepare the paperwork right, and they end up in a denial.
Mm-hmm.
Now for there are many other denials also based on the fact that you cannot prove your relationship with your parents, or etc. Now you have also the same for siblings. You cannot prove that, you will get a denial. Now going to employment base, many green cards are denied because, not many green cards are denied, but the one that are denied, out of which most of the time is if you have some kind, and I forget, that can also affect the number one family petition. If you have any kind of criminal issues, you were arrested in certain circumstances, and you fall into a category that you are what we call inadmissible or deportable, then you will not get a green card. And that applies to both employment based and family based. Now, for employment based also, there is also the issue of fraud. If your I-140, the petition from the employer, was not bona fide, that means it was not genuine, it was just all fake, that also can result in denial. The other denial is that you lose your job just before they file the green card, etc. You can get a denial. And then also, of course, criminal matters, it might result in denial. So, but the main thing I see oftentimes, denials happen because people don't file the paperwork right. They don't understand the law. They just plug in everything and submit it. And what happens is that small mistakes start costing them. They review or they volunteer information that are not needed and end up by hurting them more than helping them.
Mm-hmm.
So this is why it's good to hire a lawyer to do the case, and we can help you. 510-742-5887.
Yes.
And also, the other thing now for other types like humanitarian cases, like asylum, U visas, they get denied because they don't believe your case, right? They believe that you don't have a case of asylum, or your U visa don't qualify under the crimes of U visas. So you can get a denial based on that and ultimately not get the green card.
Yes.
So the list goes on and on and on. I can go on for hours. But these are the main reasons that we see denials. Okay?
Yeah, you've put it really well in a nutshell, Shah. Thank you for that. And folks, you need to be proactive. Take the first step. Get the filing of the papers right. Get the help you need, whether it's employment, marriage, family, different reasons for your green card situation. Call the Shah Peer Ali Law Group for advice on all immigration issues. Visit them at peeralilaw.com. That's peerallylaw.com. And like Shah said, call them at 510-742-5887 to schedule your consult. And